Hi. I am Professor Mad. Today we will discuss two design tools. These are selection tools and direct selection tools. At end of this video we will discuss how we can use it to make beautiful patterns. Let we start without waiting more. These are two tools, the right tool is direct selection tool and the left is selection tool. Let we explain selection tool by drawing a rectangle. We can use it to rotate an object. We can use it to move an object. We can use it to resize an object. We can use it to make a copy. Press the left mouse key along with Alt key. After copying, first release Alt key, then the mouse left key. Let clear it and explain the direct selection tool. We can use it to modify a part of an object without affecting the whole object. We can smooth the corners of an object. We can use it to make a copy of an object like selection tool. In the last we will discuss its applications. We can make beautiful patterns using these two tools. Let's see how can we make. Let we draw a polygon. Let make its copy. Select and drag it. Let make its copy. Select and drag it. To repeat it, select the whole. Drag it and then press Ctrl+D. That is all about selection tool and direct selection tool. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Professor Mad. Bye bye.